please, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you very much. This is beef which I have cut into tiny or slim pieces. You can see this is oil. You can use groundnut oil or vegetable oil. Then we have ground pepper, ground ginger, curry powder. Then these are stock cubes, you can see, and this is seasoning powder. I also have 1 large onion cut, and also this is kuli kuli, which is also called groundnut cake. Then we have tomatoes. You can see about 3 large tomatoes cut into sizes like this. So these are our ingredients. So this is how I cut the meat into tiny pieces. Use a very sharp knife. Cut the meat into slim, thin, and smaller sizes, so that when you want to put your skewers inside it, it will not be very hard for you, and the meat is going to cook very, very quickly. That is why we cut it into very, very slim and tiny pieces. So after this, we are going to use skewers and pierce through the meat. Then we season and add all the other ingredients. So this is how I cut it. This plate is my uli uli, which I pounded together with some pepper, ginger, stock cubes, and seasoning powder. But you can use a food processor. Mine, I use mortar. I pounded it. So these are the skewers that I'm going to use. You can use toothpick if you don't have skewers, and you can also use metal skewers which comes inside your oven. It comes together with oven, electric or gas. But these ones, you have to soak them in water for 30 minutes before you use them. I'm going to start arranging my beef on my skewers. So this is how you do it. Use your skewers to pierce through the beef and arrange them very nicely, just the way I'm doing it. If you are using a toothpick, it might not accommodate as much beef as the skewers, but all the same, you can still use your toothpick. So you arrange them all just the way I'm doing it until you have exhausted all the beef that you have. When you finish arranging your meat, then you place your uli uli powder in a plate, then roll the meat back and front so that the uli uli will stick to the meat very well. Turn all sides so that each side have the coating of that uli. So when you finish, then you keep it aside in a plate. Now you use spoon to drizzle some oil on top of the already made meat. So you can see, drizzle some oil on top of it, turn the other side and drizzle some more oil. Then after that, we are going to arrange it on the baking rack. So this time around, we are not going to use baking pan or baking tray. We are going to arrange it on the baking rack, and then we slot it in the oven and then place a baking pan under it so that the water that is coming out of the meat and some more oil will not be spoiling your oven. So this is what I'm doing. Now we have finished arranging our beef, so we are going to slot it in the oven and leave it for like 14 to 20 minutes. Then you turn the other side and then cook again for another 20 minutes. So now it is cooked. So our suya is ready. So we are going to serve it with tomatoes and onion. So all this while you have seen tomato and onion in our ingredients, maybe you might have been wondering, what are we going to do with it? Well, we are going to garnish and eat together with the suya. So that's what I'm going to do now. So take your already cut tomatoes and start arranging them neatly on top of the suya. You also do the same with the onions. Serve hot. Enjoy this suya with any drink of your choice. So you can see how beautiful the suya looks, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So